Welcome to Epic World Projects, your direct line to the rebirth of the legendary Spotify Camp Nou. Today we bring you the latest and most focused update on one of the most ambitious projects in football history, a €1.5 billion transformation redefining the future of the beautiful game. Once complete, the new Spotify Camp Nou will hold over 105,000 fans, making it the largest stadium in Europe. A 360-degree roof, LED facade, and fully modernized seating will turn every match into an unforgettable experience. The project combines innovation, sustainability, and pure Barca spirit. The main structure continues to rise at an impressive pace. The second and third-tier cantilevers are advancing, with prefabricated stands, alveolar slabs, and steel components being installed daily. Beneath the stadium, massive work continues on the parking decks and ramps. Concrete pouring, formwork, and reinforcement are progressing section by section. These areas will not only handle matchday parking, but also serve as essential logistics routes for materials and future stadium operations. At the top of the structure, work on the compression ring is intensifying. This enormous steel circle, made up of more than 100 beams weighing up to 40 tons each, will anchor the new tensioned roof. Load testing, alignment, and bolt checks are underway before the massive roof membrane installation begins. Initial ceramic louvres, llamas, are being test installed on the lateral side, preparing for the future facade system. Over 3,000 workers are active on site every day, supported by tower cranes, mobile cranes, and concrete pumps. Every section, from foundation to roof, represents teamwork, precision, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. In the coming weeks, parking decks and ramps will be completed. More prefabricated stands will be lifted into place. The compression ring assembly will accelerate, leading to the installation of the roof membrane and lighting systems. The target remains to open the stadium fully within the 2026 to 2027 window. The rebirth of the Spotify Camp Nou is more than construction. It's the creation of a new football landmark for generations to come. Every beam, every pour, and every test brings us closer to the return of a true global icon. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Epic World Projects, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next construction progress report. Because here, you're not just watching history, you're witnessing it being built, piece by piece.